Most people see screenshots of huge Freecash earnings and think they've found an easy way to make hundreds of dollars online overnight. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some users really do get paid, while others waste time because they use the platform the wrong way. In this video, I'm giving you an honest Freecash review for 2026. We'll talk about how the platform actually works, how much money people realistically make, what the payment process looks like, and whether Freecash is still worth using today. Let's get straight into it. Freecash is a rewards platform where users earn money by completing tasks. These tasks include downloading apps, playing games, answering surveys, testing services, and signing up for offers. In return, you earn coins that can be redeemed for PayPal Cash, cryptocurrency, gift cards, and more. Now here's where it gets interesting. The highest paying offers are usually not surveys. Most experienced users focus on game milestones and app testing tasks because they pay significantly more. For example, Alex from Texas completed a casino-style game offer that required reaching a certain level within 7 days. After finishing the task, his account balance increased by nearly $30. That's far better than grinding low-paying surveys all day. But here's the problem. Many users see giant earning claims online and assume every task pays huge money. That's simply not true. Most offers pay anywhere between 50 cents and $20, depending on difficulty, location, and advertiser demand. This is where most people fail. They don't read the offer requirements carefully. If a task says, reach level 20, and you stop at level 19, you usually earn nothing. In a minute, I'll explain the biggest reason some users think Freecash is fake, even though payouts are real. Let's talk about payment proof. Freecash does process real withdrawals for many users. PayPal payouts, crypto withdrawals, and gift card redemptions are commonly reported by active users. Jake from Chicago cashed out his first PayPal reward within the same day after completing a mobile app offer. However, delays can happen. And this is important. Some offers track slowly, or require advertiser approval before rewards appear. That's why some users think they were scammed when the issue is actually delayed tracking. Now here's the smart strategy experienced users follow. They take screenshots of offer progress before starting tasks. That makes support requests much easier if rewards fail to track correctly. Another thing worth mentioning is account security. Freecash actively checks for VPN usage, duplicate accounts, and suspicious activity. Breaking the rules can lead to account bans, even if you already earned rewards. So here's the honest verdict. Freecash is not a magic money machine, but it is a legitimate rewards platform that pays many users when used correctly. The best results usually come from high-paying app offers, gaming milestones, and consistent activity. If you want side income, extra spending money, or free gift cards, Freecash can absolutely be worth trying. Just keep realistic expectations and avoid shortcuts. If you've tried Freecash already, comment below with your highest payout so viewers know what's realistic. And if this honest review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real online earning reviews and tutorials.